Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you another beautiful Twosun knife that I got for my collection, and it is the TS279. This will be a night morning design. Like all Twosuns, it comes in a standard box. For this one I left also the bubble wrap, so you can see that this is how it came. Usually I discard the bubble wrap to show you zero oiling on the surface, so that is good to see. And I received a couple of models that were also without any excessive oil, so that is always good to have. Okay, so the model TS279 is on the larger side, I would say. The specifications are: we have an overall length of 21 centimeters or 8.2 inches. The blade length is 9.5 centimeters or 3.7 inches. The blade width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. The blade thickness is 3.6 millimeters or 0.14 inches. The hand length is 11.9 centimeters or 4.7 inches. And the thickness of the handle without the pocket clip is 1.2 centimeters, 0.5 inches. The materials on this one, we have the blade is 14C28N with a satin belt finished. We have a Sheepsfoot / Wharnclife. I'll leave it up to you, with a slide recurve. Just really probably this will be a bit better, so you can see the recurve there. The handle is made out of TC4 Titanium alloy. We have a full titanium backspacer, a really nice 3D milled surface texture. '3D milled custom pocket clip. Which is for some reason really thin, but that should be not a problem. We have a steel insert lock face on the frame lock. The pivot assembly, it rides on ball bearings, so standard KVT ball bearing washers. Centering is perfect. There is also a small cutout to incorporate the blade. Opening method is via this opening hole here. On the blade we have Night Morning logo and steel type, and Twosun logo on the other side. It has really nice contouring, as you can see there, and this nice sound. Really interesting. The weight comes at 112 grams or 4 ounces. There you can see the blade stop. Now let me show you the sharpness out of the box. So this is definitely really nice and sharp, but I always suggest to use your favorite drop to take your edge to the maximum potential. Let me show you the pocket profile, because this is not a deep carry pocket clip. So this is how much it will stick out. There's a really interesting cutout right there. Comes in and out without any major hindrance. They position the belly a little bit on the top of the framework cutout. Let's try a middle finger flick. Perfectly. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing. So if you would like to go and buy the knife right now, I can recommend check out whitemountainknives.com. They have the pricing set at $69.99, which is probably really one of the great prices you can get at today's market for a titanium Twosun. If you would like to try your luck out, then you can also check out eBay. They have a reseller. Twosun has a reseller there, and he will offer on a regular basis different models, also new ones, but keep in mind the delivery will be from China, and it could take a couple of months to get to you. Okay, so now that being said, let's see a few size comparisons. So here is the model 111, also from Twosun, another great 9mm design. Then let's continue with Twosun knives model Cebu, Twosun knives model Bruiser, QSP Pelican, QSP Penguin, Bucksprint Pro, Kaiser Big Lighter 2, QB Aries, Burger Plus Bonfire, CVV Elementum, Red Model 1, Benchmade Large Reptilian, Spyderco Endura, Spyderco Delica, 940 from Benchmade, Kershaw Leak, Kershaw Blur, Ace Grand from Giant Mouse, Bug Vintage Avid, and let's close it up with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. I don't know if I mentioned the weight. The weight comes at 112 grams or 4 ounces, so really nice weight to it. You have also a choil or cutout for your sharpening. You can also position your finger there if you like. The log engagement is, I would say, at around 40%. Let's try the spine test. Really nice. No blade play whatsoever, up and down. Yet another perfectly made frame lock from Twosun knives. So if you do like this combination of a, say, Sheepsfoot recurved Wharnclife, then this is maybe something you would like to have for your collection. I'm strongly recommending this Twosun knife. It is really nice, well made, good ergonomics, feels really good in the hand, no sharp corners, everything is nice and rounded like it's supposed to be from a high-end manufacturer, minus the price, of course. The price is really great on these, and I would foresee for the future that the pricing will go up, so probably now is a good opportunity, a good chance to buy a Twosun knife if you like. Okay, so this was the Twosun knife TS279. If you have any questions regarding this knife or anything else, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, big thumbs up to you. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and key oriented, but sometimes also other stuff regarding my other hobbies like watches, miniature painting, and so on. Okay, I wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.